So looking at the Designjet 500 with a view to putting it on a network. So this is the back of the machine, and the first thing to look for is actually see whether it's got a network card installed. So that's what I do. Remove this cover. Gives us access to the EIO slots. What we can see is we've got a blanking plate over this slot here, and this slot, the blanking plate's been removed, nothing installed in it. So we need to add the network card. So we've got our HP JetDirect card. Okay, and simple installation. Plug it into the EIO slot and just do the thumb screws up. Oh, worth mentioning, as you can see, there's no powering. The machine's completely disconnected from the power and has been for at least 10 minutes. Make sure any power in the machine is dissipated. So, simple as that on the back end of the machine. Now we need to go over to the front panel and configure up the network. So, having added the JetDirect card, we've now powered the machine up, and just a case of going into the menu system and configuring it up. So scroll down to the printer setup menu and press enter, into IO setup and press enter, card setup, enter, configuration, enter. CFG network equals no, it's the default. Just need to press enter, up arrow to change it to yes, enter again. Then up arrow, TCP/IP is on, IPX is on, Apple Talk. Depending on whether you need these on your network, you can leave them switched on or turn them off. Most people will be running on TCP/IP. Till you get to CFG TCP/IP, default equals no, enter, up arrow to yes, enter, then up arrow. Now, asking whether or not boot P currently equals no. Now I actually prefer to set these up on a fixed IP address. I find it a lot easier for pointing PCs towards it. So I'm going to leave that as no. DHCP also no, not going to have a dynamically assigned IP address. And auto no. So now we get into the actual IP byte itself. This is going to be the IP address of this plotter. So IP byte 1, 192. If it needs to be changed, same again, hit enter to make it active, up or down to change it to what you like, and then press enter. And then just work your way through the menu system. IP byte 2, once again the same method, IP byte 3, 4, until you get to the subnet. Once again 255. If you need to change that, enter, change it to what you need, accept it by pressing enter. IP byte or subnet byte 2, subnet byte 3, subnet byte 4, and then we've got the default gateway. Once again, scroll through those, but you can change those if needed. And the log byte, if you want the machine to actually log to a specific IP address, any errors, then you can set that up. Most users don't. So we can just scroll through that, and once we're happy, we can just back out of the menu system until we get to the main menu. And it's as simple as that. Designjet is now set up on the network, just a matter of configuring it the PC end.